Just a quickie. Just pouring some of this lovely e-parency top coat resin over this MDF that I'm hope is going to be used as a trivet or something. So let's test it. I have stirred and stirred and stirred, so I'm just going to go for it. My puppies decide to be noisy. I'm having to work from the other side of my table because I've got a big canvas there drying and I don't want to move it. So I'm working from this opposite side and it's a little bit tricky. So yes, use your fingers, why not? At least you can feel where the resin is, and if you're going over with a spatula you can't always feel where all the lumps of resin are sitting. Even though resin is usually self-leveling, if you've got it on level surface, that is. So that's brought the colours up in that little MDF. So you can either use it as a trivet, you can use it as a piece of art to put on the wall, of course. I'm going to use the rest of that. Why not? I'm just going to shove it around and over the edges. Let's make sure there's plenty on there. It's only a small hexagonal, whatever you call them. Just hoping that my surface is level because I never checked it, and that's an important thing when you're resining something, is to check that your surface is level. So this is just a quick to show you really how easy resin something is, and using your fingers to do it, because you can really feel if you've leveled it out. Oh goodness me, you know, just realizing I've got paint splashes on that from the previous blowout I just did. That's, anyway, that's okay, not a worry, all part of the abstract art. Rightio, I'm just going to go over with my heat gun. You can do that from this position. Get rid of any air bubbles, which it is. Beautiful. Colours all jumping off that. Okie doke, all done. Done. That's how easy it is for the people that are really worried about resin coating. Absolutely no worries. So that's the e-parency epoxy resin. So it's equal parts. Part 1, part A, part B, and 2 to 1. 1-to-1 ratio, should I say, equal parts. So there you go. Quickie.